Okay, I'm now thinking about how to bring the development environment, this is my test bench, to a more production-like PCB design. And I need all the components that here are included, like a battery, speaker, microphone, LED, 2 touchpads, and the microcontroller. The microcontroller is already quite small. It's like one of these from Seed Studio. This is an ESP32C6, and then this is an S3. I think I will go first with an S3 because of the touchpad and the PS RAM. But later maybe I would also try to bring this to the C6 because it has Wi-Fi 6. Maybe the streaming will work better here and faster. But yeah, I think we start going with this first. And there's also another PCB or circuit here. This is for the speaker on amplifier that receive an I2S command, I2S command for sound, as well as here there's a microphone. And I think these components should also be on the PCB. That means I think the first PCB should look similar to this size. There's an LED, USB, there's a microcontroller, and some buttons to reset. And I think also the amplifier, speaker amplifier could be here on top, included in the PCB, and the microphone should also be included here. Yeah, maybe a little bit smaller should be possible, but this size is, I think it should go first, should work. What is also needed is that I need to run this in a flexible way. So when we should be possible to make it flexible, because I want to put it inside the wick, and it should be placed here in front of the wick, underneath, and there should also be a battery here and a speaker, like these small speakers here, on the left, on the right side maybe. Yeah, and a battery. I think this is all I need to bring this to this size. The battery is maybe too small. I need a bigger one, or maybe two. It's also possible to change them side by side, so the weight is evenly distributed on the wick, and also the speaker should be on both sides, like this. But they can be glued. Should be put on the board, like this, and then I can glue them inside the wick and on some nice place. The only thing I'm not 100% sure how to fix it is to add the interface, the buttons for the user, so to wake up the board. The wick. First I thought maybe I can extend the board a little bit to outside, so the touchpad is then our on the visible a little bit, but you can touch them. Another idea would be to add some kind of pins that are sticking out, and then they are pushed through the wick somehow. Then there are some, so you can click here. But I'm not sure if if that works. This is the only thing I'm not sure how to do that. I think first a good idea is to make them stick out a little bit on the forehead. Yeah. But this should be it. There should not be microphone, amplifier, LED, and then battery and a speaker. Should not be bigger than this. Should also be possible to add the setup in very small dolls, like Barbie dolls or even smaller. So yeah, I think this can even be smaller. I think this is already a small variant of the ESP32, and should be possible to make that even smaller. No, I think this is already the small one. Yeah, but the size like this, yeah, should be possible to make it even smaller when you remove the pin header on the side. Yeah. Microphone. Yeah, I'm not sure, but I think that PCB design will show how small we can go. And yeah, to make it flexible. So yeah, it's like this. Yeah, should work. And then put it here. I think this size, the length, can be even when it's flexible. I think this even doesn't matter how big the PCB is. I cannot even make it really long. So there are the microphones. Then there are the LED in the middle, the microcontroller somewhere, and then the speaker on the sides, the battery here in the middle, on the top of the head, and then yeah, some kind of buttons. Maybe we can go with push buttons. So you can, there's no touchpads, but rather here. Maybe this works as well. Yeah, but touch is maybe better. I think I will go with touch. So you can touch the pads. Yeah. You only need the touch pins only for waking up the doll. Then you start speaking normally. And if you stop speaking to her, it will go back to deep sleep. If you want to go back to Wi-Fi settings, maybe you want to change the Wi-Fi or your API key, you have to press both. Touch both pins at the same time for more than 3 seconds, and then it will go into Wi-Fi manager portal mode where you can change settings. But yeah, should be possible with touchpads like these.